Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping protection on your Shopify store. So, very quickly, what we want to do here is we want to go to apps.shopify.com right here. Click on the bundles here, and then search for shipping protection. Now, there are a lot of shipping protections here, most of which requires payment. Some of it are free, however. So for example, we have here Ship Pro. So for this one, this has already been installed. So usually, if it's not yet installed on your store, it will indicate here install now or installed. So if it's installed, just click on open. Automatically, it's included already in your store right here. So all you have to do now is to, of course, set up the account. This one, however, requires payment. But to install it, just simply open, then here go to apps, and you can find your Ship Protect. And then you already have your setup right here. You can set it up right there. And you can also activate app embed right here. So this is how it's gonna look like once Ship Protect is activated on your account. You can toggle it on, and then you can toggle it off again. And then just click Save to embed the application on your store. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.